Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Lance from NerfThis.TV. Today we're going to have a look at the new app from FiLMiC Pro creators called DoubleTake. At the Apple launch for the iPhone 11, FiLMiC Pro showed off the facility to be able to select multiple cameras and record from multiple cameras within the FiLMiC Pro app. What they have done is they've actually released a free app which does that, but it's a separate app obviously, and this is the app DoubleTake. If you have a look at the app itself, it's pretty simple. On the bottom left you have where you can actually go and select the cameras that you want to record from. So this is an iPhone 11, that's why there's only the two back cameras, so we'll use the wide and the selfie. And in the bottom right hand corner you can select one of three frame rates, 24, 25 and 30. The one thing about this app that you should know is that it only records in full HD. It doesn't do 4K, which I'd hoped that it would, but anyway. So we confirm once you've selected the cameras that we want to record from, and then at the top right you'll see that there's basically a selector. It's in discrete mode. They call it discrete mode. So basically it's going to record both cameras at the same time, two separate files. So if we hit record here, you'll see my front camera is on stitch there, and the back camera is on me and making me look very unflattering. You can maximize, minimize, shove it off to the right, bring it back again, but basically it's going to be recording both the front and back cameras to two separate files, so you can have an interview, that type of thing. You have to stop it, and if you click it you now move into picture in picture. So same principle, except now it will actually record one file. Let me show you, with the picture in picture as it is. And you can move the picture in picture around to the various corners, and even in the middle it looks like. So pretty much place yourself wherever you want, and you can expand and minimize. And of course this is recording to one file, like whatever you're doing here. So, you know, they're minimizing and the etc. That's all being recorded in the file. And then the other way to do it is side by side. And of course this will record one file, but side by side like this. So I can be interviewing Stitch here and recording both. It's not quite aligned. You're not going to be able to get both subjects centered, it looks like. Well, maybe. But anyway, side by side. So that's quite nice. And then back to discrete mode. Now when you want to get your pictures out of it, you then just click the little SD looking logo on the top left, sorry. And then of course you can select them. So I want those 4 files. And then you can save them to wherever, including your camera roll. Okay, it hasn't access to my photos yet, and there we go. And then of course you can also delete them. Of course the other thing that you can do is you can actually have it, let's put it into split screen, and then you can do your selfie mode or vertical mode split screen, which is pretty good for your Instagram and whatnot. So you can have split screen top and bottom, which is quite nice, I must admit. Well, there you have it, a brief look at the DoubleTake app from FiLMiC Pro. It's pretty good and it does what they say it's going to do. I would have preferred that they could use the full capabilities of the lenses and the cameras that are on the phone and shoot at 4K up to 60. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please like, subscribe, hit the little bell icon so that YouTube can let you know when I do another video. If you'd like to support us, there will be affiliate links and a place where you can buy me a cup of coffee, link below, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.